The forest in front of him was overwhelmingly silent. It wasn't the kind of silence that brings relief after a hard day. It was dead, heavy, full of memories that seemed to overwhelm anyone who even thought of entering. And yet he hadn't even taken a single step. He stood there, still, staring at the tree roots crawling out of the darkness, creeping along the blackened ground. Frozen and twisted as if in great pain, they seemed ready to grab him at the first opportunity, at the first false move. He looked at the trees again. They're just trees, he thought. But the awareness of this silence, this horrible silence exhaled by the forest, kept him in uncertainty. Why did the blizzard end here? How could it? Was it nothing compared to what awaited him when he crossed the next boundary? Was this a boundary that even nature itself didn't dare to cross?